I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Battlefield 6 game not released error on PC. So let's start. First of all, go to the Windows taskbar, open this upside arrow, look for the Steam launcher, right click on it, after that select exit Steam. Now if you didn't find the Steam launcher appearing, just to make sure it's not running in the background, go to Task Manager, after that in the search type in Steam. If you find it right here, right click on it, after that make sure to select End Task. Just wait for the couple of moments, after that open the Steam launcher once again. Now your issue should be fixed. If not, for the next method, all you need to do, go to the top left corner, select check for Steam client updates, wait for it. If you have an older version, the download button will appear right here next to the close button. If not, this is not the issue. Go to the Steam logo once again, select exit, select sign out, and make sure to log in with your correct credentials, and your problem should be fixed. Now if the issue still occurs, for the last method, go to the Steam logo, after that go to settings. Now in the left menu select downloads, scroll down, you need to select clear cache, after that click on confirm, and the problem should be gone. If you find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.